So I was trying to play Brawl Stars, but it's down right now. So what's really the problem? When the servers will be back up and running, when the maintenance will be going to end? Today in this video, we have got all the details, so let's get right into it. Well, let's check it out what they are doing and what's really going on with the game. It has been 7 hours without Brawl Stars. I can't stop shaking. Severe mental breakdowns. Check this out, guys. Tons and tons of people are reporting Brawl Stars is not working since 7 hours ago, which is quite a serious issue to be honest with you. And here is the thing. Let me show you right here onto the down detector. As of right now, 497 outage reports. That means there is some kind of issue going on into the Brawl Star. And right over here onto the Twitter, here you can see, guys, just 1 minute ago, tons and tons of people are reporting that Brawl Stars is having some issues. So let me show you right here onto the Twitter. Tons and tons of people are talking about Brawl Stars. All the people are spamming this exact comment. You see all the same comments by a different users. So let me show you all the updates from the Brawl Stars. Alright, so this is the Brawl Star Twitter official page. Well, let's check it out what they are doing and what's really going on with the game. Alright, so 7 hours ago, just after the maintenance, Bizarre Circus awaits you. Hypercharge, unleash the event, complete the quest to get a free random hypercharge. 5 hypercharges new into the shop, and there are tons and tons of things going on with this new update. And then right after that, guys, check this out. Just as of 4 hours ago, we have found some issues that are crashing the game 100% of the times. That means it's a sure shot issue that they have found out. Hang in there while we are investigating and trying to fix it as soon as possible. Sorry for the trouble. So guys, here's the thing. 7 hours ago, they have rolled out this new update, and here's the thing. They are pretty excited about the update, but just right after that, they recently find out that 100% the game is crashing after this new update, and they are trying to find the solution. So as of right now, there is no maintenance schedule. They are actively working to solve the problem,